Guys, the chili paste is already done. This is how it looks like when it's done. Dark color. So I'm gonna bring it in the house and cool it off and put them in the jar. Okay, I'm going outside my front yard and I'm going to check the jalapeno. Wow, look at all this red jalapeno. That's I think that was 2 weeks ago I harvested some of this, and I think I'm gonna harvest them again, and I'm going to make chili garlic paste. Yeah, these are serrano pepper. I'm gonna use this one too. I'm gonna mix them all up. And now we're going to my backyard. Let's see. I got more chili pepper here. Jalapeno. This one are, I don't know why the color are like this. This is the name for that one. They look yellow. And this one, these are also jalapeno. They're big. They're already turned red because I don't really harvest them. Hello guys! Today I picked some of our chili pepper that are already red, almost ripe, and they are jalapeno and serrano pepper. And so I decided to make some chili garlic sauce. So I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. So of course we have chili pepper here. I already took out the stem. I'm gonna put some bay leaf, some garlic, and also use some bagoong shrimp paste, peppercorn, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, apple cider, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and we're gonna use vegetable oil, and also we're gonna blend. Guys, to make it faster, I'm gonna use this for the garlic so I can separate them faster and peel them off and less mess. Okay guys, so I'm done heating all the garlic. So what we're gonna do now is just pull all the loose skin like this. See how easy it is, like that, and less mess. Separate all of the skin. Okay guys, I'm cooking outside because I don't want to cook it inside because it's going to smell. So the first thing we're gonna do is cook the peppercorn just to give it a flavor. We'll cook it maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay guys, I took out some of the peppercorn and leave some of it, and now we're going to put the garlic. And before that, put 1.5 cup of oil, vegetable oil, and now we're going to put the garlic. We're going to keep on stirring the garlic so we don't burn it. We're going to cook it like maybe before they get brown. Okay guys, now this is how it look like. Next is we're going to put the pepper. And also we're gonna keep on stirring it. We're gonna cook it for a while before we add the other ingredients. We'll keep on stirring it so we don't burn the chili pepper and the garlic. And this takes some time. We will know when the chili pepper is done, when it's starting the sauce get dark. So right now it's been cooking for 3 minutes, so we just keep on stirring it before we put the other ingredients. Guys, to let you know, these peppers have to be well done, really cooked, because it will get spoiled right away if you don't really cook it well done. Okay? So, mga kabalen ko, gagawa kong garlic chili paste, then pepper ko nga rin eh, but dating ka na akong backyard and front yard, kaya naman yung asawa ko. So, ako naman i-business ini, gagawang ko mo ini para pamilya ko mo karang kaduduran ko ang kaya ba akong nagawa. So, yung gagawang ko ngayon ni style kapampangan. Kalupa na ning gagawa ng mother ko. So, dininan keng 1.5 cup of vegetable oil, long buong garlic, ang pong dakala chili pepper, saka peppercorn. Di nagkepang kay kanyang pota, long kutsarang red vinegar, apple cider vinegar, ang pong long kutsarang brown sugar, ang pong 2 kutsarang bagok, ang po papalang bay leaf. So, yan yung sangkap ko. Okay, kabalen? Okay guys, I've been stirring it for 30 minutes now. So, what we're gonna do now is to put the rest of the ingredients. We're going to put the bay leaf. The fish sauce, the shrimp paste. This one will give it a flavor. Okay, let's stir it. Next, we're going to add the brown sugar. Next is we're going to add the apple cider vinegar to balance the taste. Leave it there for a few seconds before you stir it. Okay, now stir it now. And I'm going to add some salt. Start with 1 tablespoon. gonna add another 1 teaspoon. So you can see it's starting to get dark. It's almost done. Okay, now I'm going to taste it. Spicy. So let me taste just a little bit. It's perfect. Guys, the chili paste is already done. This is how it looks like when it's done. Dark color. So I'm gonna bring it in the house and cool it off and put them in the jar. Okay guys, let's put it in the jar. The garlic sauce, chili garlic sauce is now cold, so we'll put it in a jar. Like this. Like this, guys. Guys, I put some of the chili garlic paste in the 2 container. For now, I only have 2 container, and the rest I'll put it on other Tupperware. Okay, so this is the result of my chili garlic paste. It's really yummy.